Hi guys, I'm here and I'm playing Modern Warship MW. Actually, I installed this game yesterday. But yeah, I made some, and this ship is 250,000. That was the starter ships. One of the starter ships. One was this. It's 100. One is this 150. One is this that I'm using, and this. Yeah. So I think I always buy this one, but actually this is not. Uselessly, this is the USA one, and I got which CN type 056. Seriously, why not US one? I literally didn't pay attention. Okay, so guys, the first goal of this series is going to be I'm going to get the big ships. Where is it? It was this one. Yep, it's this one. 3,250,000. Yep, guys, this is one of the most strongest ships and one of the most horrible ships for my ships. It's so horrible. Guys, I will show you the most powerful ones, most powerful types. That one I choose, this one, and these submarines. These are the most insane. Yeah, guys, you would say you get this one, dude. But it takes gold, and I don't want gold because I literally spent some gold already. I had 250 gold. Yeah. So actually, this ship's first one is this, but it takes gold, not money. I always trade money, not gold. Yeah, so this is also here. This is a big dude. Yeah, but I choose this. 9.7 yards. Seriously, dude, I need a higher yard. Yeah, but I'm mostly going to launch all of the planes and the helicopters. Yeah. So don't need that. Okay, and if you see this, I'm on 6th level. Let's see, ships destroyed 14, deaths 1, total battles 8, win 7. Okay, losses 2, mission destroyed 0, 0, 0, plane destroyed 0. Okay, leave it. Rating, actually there is no rating actually. Yeah. What the heck happened, dude? I think it glitched. Yeah, but this mobile really glitches. That's why I don't literally hate it. To battle. Actually, entering offline. Actually, I want to do online, but I think online needs to change or something. Okay, I'll just battle one. Okay, I'm in the agent. Strategy. Always put the helicopter first. But if you go with your plane, ship, and if you try to, and your ship's health is very low, if it dies and you perfectly made the helicopter go, but it would still be dead because go. I think guys I said I think I didn't say that I'm back. Attack. Yikes. And guys, on the right, there is your ships. I mean helicopter's health, or you can also say your plane's health if you have a plane. Yeah, and I never got a plane ever in this game. Let it calm down. Dude, one ship left. Seriously. Okay. Move up. Done. Wow. 61. Okay, I have one only died. Okay, now I need to kind of change the settings of online and offline. Water quantity limited. Okay, I've kind of changed it some. Control game camera height. Okay, leave that as now. Language. Yes. Google. Write a review about the game. Seriously. Okay, I'll do it. But afterwards. And guys, you need to subscribe, hit the like, and hit the like for more MW means modern ship videos. And guys, there are more than 150 videos.